Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily Story Channel. This is a place where we're learning.
All right, we are back. Good to be here. And I have a question for you.
Oh, what is it?
What did you do yesterday?
Oh, that is today's topic, isn't it?
Exactly. Today we are talking about how to talk about yesterday, how to describe the past, things that already happened.
The past tense, one of the most important things in English.
Because we talk about the past all the time, every day.
What did you do yesterday? Someone asks you this almost every day.
At work, at school, with friends, with family.
And if you don't know how to answer, the conversation stops.
So today, we fix that. A2 level, a little more than beginner. Let's go.
Okay, first, the past simple tense. This is how we talk about things that happened and finished.
Finished, done, in the past.
Yesterday, last week, this morning, an hour ago.
All past, all finished.
And in English, to talk about the past, we change the verb.
We add ed to regular verbs.
Walk, walked. Cook, cooked. Watch, watched. Talk, talked.
I walked to the shop yesterday. I cooked dinner last night.
Simple. Add ed, and it's past.
But not all verbs are regular.
No, some verbs are irregular. They change completely.
Go, went. Eat, ate. See, saw. Have, had. Buy, bought.
These you have to learn, one by one.
But the good news? You use the same ones over and over.
The most common irregular verbs come up again and again.
I went to the gym. I ate breakfast. I saw my friend. I had a good day.
Very common, very natural.
Practice these first. They will help you the most.
Okay, now questions. How do you ask about the past?
In English, to make a past question, you use did.
Did you plus the base verb, not the past form.
Did you go to the gym, not did you went.
Did you eat breakfast, not did you ate.
Did already shows the past, so the verb goes back to base form.
Common mistake for learners. Did you went? Incorrect. Did you go? Correct.
Did you went? No. Did you go? Yes.
Always base form after did.
And negative sentences, didn't.
I didn't go to the gym yesterday. I didn't eat lunch.
Didn't plus base verb, same rule.
I didn't went, wrong. I didn't go, right.
Once you remember this rule, past tense becomes much easier.
Much easier. Let's practice. Okay, now let's talk about describing your yesterday, step by step.
Morning, afternoon, evening, in order.
Good structure. Start with the morning.
Yesterday morning, I woke up at 7.
I had a shower and got dressed.
I made coffee and ate breakfast.
I left the house at 8:30.
See? Simple sentences, past tense, in order.
And you can add feelings. How did you feel?
I woke up feeling tired, not enough sleep.
I felt happy because the sun was out.
I was in a hurry because I was late.
Feelings make the story more interesting.
More human, more real.
More like a real conversation and less like a calendar.
Less like a calendar, yes. We don't want a list, we want a story.
Okay, useful time expressions. Words that help you talk about the past clearly.
Very important. These little words help a lot.
Yesterday. I went to the supermarket yesterday.
Yesterday morning, yesterday afternoon, yesterday evening.
Last night. I watched a film last night.
This morning, I had coffee this morning, still today but in the past.
An hour ago. I ate lunch an hour ago.
Earlier today, I spoke to my boss earlier today.
Last week, last month, last year, further in the past.
I visited my family last weekend.
These expressions tell people when something happened.
Without them, the story is confusing.
I went to the shop. When? Today, yesterday, last year?
Add the time expression. I went to the shop yesterday morning. Clear.
Clear and natural. Okay, now let's practice a full example, a complete yesterday story.
I'll go first. My yesterday.
Go ahead.
Yesterday was quite a busy day. I woke up earlier than usual, about 6:30, because I had a lot to do. I made coffee, got ready quickly, and left the house by 7. I went to work by bus because my car was at the garage. At work, I had 2 meetings in the morning. One was a little boring, honestly, but the second one was actually really interesting. We talked about a new project. At lunchtime, I didn't go out. I ate at my desk because I was trying to finish a report. A bit sad, I know. But I finished it by 3 o'clock, which felt great. After work, I stopped at the supermarket on the way home. I needed milk and some vegetables. I cooked a simple pasta for dinner, nothing fancy, and watched an episode of a show I've been following. Then I read for about 30 minutes and went to bed at around 10:30. Not very exciting, but actually a really good day.
See, that is a perfect yesterday story.
What made it good?
Time expressions, yesterday, in the morning, at lunchtime, after work.
Past tense verbs, woke up, made, left, went, had, ate, finished, stopped, cooked, watched, read, went.
Feelings, a bit sad, felt great, actually a really good day.
Small details, the bus, the garage, the pasta.
Details make it interesting, not just facts.
Not just I worked, I ate, I slept. That's a robot's day.
Don't be a robot.
Be a person with feelings, with small observations.
Okay, now you try a shorter version for A2 level.
Simple structure, 3 to 4 sentences. Morning, middle, evening.
Yesterday morning, I, and then in the afternoon, I, and then in the evening, I.
3 sentences. That's enough for a good answer.
Yesterday morning, I had a coffee and went to work. In the afternoon, I had a meeting and finished a project. In the evening, I cooked dinner and watched TV.
Simple, clear, past tense, time expressions.
That's a complete answer. Not long, not short, just right.
Just right. A good goal for language learners.
Not too much, not too little, just enough to keep the conversation going. Now, follow-up questions, because talking about yesterday is a two-way street.
Someone tells you about their yesterday, you ask a question. You show interest.
Oh, really? How was the meeting?
What did you cook for dinner?
Did you enjoy the film?
Was it busy at work?
Did anything interesting happen?
These small questions keep the conversation alive.
And they show you are listening, really listening.
People love to feel heard.
I was listening. I want to know more.
That's what a good question says, without words.
Okay, common mistakes when talking about the past. Let's cover these quickly.
Number 1, using present tense when you mean past.
Yesterday, I go to the shop. Wrong.
Yesterday, I went to the shop. Correct.
If you say yesterday, the verb must be past.
The time expression and the verb tense must match.
Number 2, did you went?
We talked about this. After did, always base form.
Did you go? Did you eat? Did you see?
Never did you went, ate, saw.
Number 3, forgetting irregular verbs.
I buyed a coffee. Wrong.
I bought a coffee. Correct.
I taked the bus. Wrong.
I took the bus. Correct.
These take time, don't worry. Practice and they become natural.
Natural with time and repetition.
Number 4, no time expressions.
I went to the cinema. Okay, but when?
I went to the cinema last night. Much better.
Always try to include when. It helps the listener follow your story.
And it makes you sound more fluent, more natural.
Okay, real dialogue time. 2 people talking about their yesterday.
Hey, how was your day yesterday?
Pretty good, actually. Quite busy, but good. I had a job interview in the morning.
Oh, wow, really? How did it go?
I think it went well. I was nervous at the beginning, but I relaxed after a few minutes. They asked some interesting questions.
That's great. Did they say when they'll get back to you?
They said next week, so now I just have to wait. What about you? How was your yesterday?
Mine was pretty quiet, honestly. I worked from home, had a few calls. In the evening, I met a friend for dinner. We went to that new Italian place near the station.
Oh, nice. Was it good?
Really good. I had the pasta, and it was amazing. We stayed for about 2 hours just talking.
That sounds lovely. I need to try that place.
You should. Let me know if you want to go.
Perfect. Natural conversation, full of past tense.
Had, went, relaxed, asked, said, worked, met, stayed.
All past tense. All natural.
And notice, they asked each other questions. Both sides shared.
A real conversation, not a monologue. Let's do one more dialogue, a different situation.
2 colleagues, Monday morning at work, talking about the weekend.
Because how was your weekend is really asking about your past 2 days.
Same skill, different time frame.
Morning, good weekend?
Really good, actually. We went to the coast on Saturday, first time this year.
Oh, nice. The weather was pretty good, wasn't it?
It was beautiful, sunny and warm. We walked along the beach for about 2 hours, had fish and chips, just sat and watched the sea for a while. It was very relaxing.
That sounds perfect. Did you stay overnight?
No, just a day trip. We drove back in the evening. Sunday was quiet. I did some cleaning, watched the football, had an early night. What about you?
Quite different. My sister visited with her kids, so it was a bit chaotic, but fun. We took the kids to the park on Saturday afternoon. Sunday, we all went to my parents' place for lunch.
Aw, that's lovely. How old are her kids now?
5 and 3, full of energy. I was exhausted by Sunday evening.
I can imagine. Good exhausted, though.
Definitely good exhausted. Right, shall we get started? Big week ahead.
Let's do it.
See how natural that was?
Very natural and full of great vocabulary.
We went to the coast, we walked along the beach, we drove back. My sister visited, we took the kids to the park.
All past tense, all clear, all natural.
And details, fish and chips, watching the sea, the kids' ages.
Details are what make a story come alive.
Without details, I went to the beach. It was nice. That's okay.
But with details, we had fish and chips and watched the sea for a while. It was very relaxing. That's a story.
That's something the other person can picture.
Can imagine, can feel.
And that's what good conversation does. It creates a shared picture.
Through your words, through your details, through your English.
Okay, let's build a vocabulary bank. Useful verbs for talking about yesterday.
Regular verbs first. Add ed.
Walk, walked. I walked to the office.
Cook, cooked. I cooked pasta for dinner.
Watch, watched. I watched a documentary last night.
Talk, talked. I talked to my friend on the phone.
Work, worked. I worked from home yesterday.
Visit, visited. I visited my grandmother.
Clean, cleaned. I cleaned the flat on Sunday.
Finish, finished. I finished the book I was reading.
Now, irregular. These are very common.
Go, went. I went to the gym.
Eat, ate. I ate sushi for the first time.
See, saw. I saw an old friend.
Have, had. I had a great meeting.
Take, took. I took the train to the city.
Get, got. I got some good news.
Buy, bought. I bought new shoes.
Meet, met. I met a colleague for coffee.
Feel, felt. I felt much better after some rest.
Wake, woke. I woke up at 8.
Sleep, slept. I slept really well last night.
Drive, drove. I drove to the supermarket.
Read, read. I read for an hour before bed.
That's 22 verbs, all very common, all very useful.
Learn these and you can describe almost any yesterday.
Any day, any activity.
The building blocks of your past tense story.
One last thing, expressing reactions to someone's yesterday.
When someone tells you about their past, you react. You respond.
Oh, that sounds lovely for something nice.
Oh no, that sounds tough for something difficult.
Wow, really? That's interesting. For something surprising.
I can imagine. That must have been tiring for something exhausting.
That sounds like a perfect day for something relaxing.
I've had days like that for something relatable.
These responses show you are engaged, interested, present.
And they invite the other person to keep talking.
Which is what good conversation is all about.
Keeping it going, keeping it warm, with interest, with curiosity, in English.
Okay, let's wrap up. What did we learn today?
Past simple tense. Add ed to regular verbs.
Irregular verbs. Go, went, eat, ate, see, saw, have, had, buy, bought.
Questions. Did you plus base verb. Did you go? Did you eat?
Negatives. Didn't plus base verb. I didn't go. I didn't eat.
Time expressions. Yesterday, last night, this morning, earlier, an hour ago.
Structure. Morning, afternoon, evening. 3 sentences. That's enough.
Feelings. Add how you felt to make it more interesting.
Follow-up questions. Show interest. Keep the conversation going.
And the most important thing, don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Making mistakes is how you learn. Every mistake is a step forward, not a step back, a step forward.
So go practice. Tell someone about your yesterday in English.
Even just 3 sentences. Yesterday morning, I. In the afternoon, I. In the evening, I.
3 sentences. That's your homework.
A nice, easy homework.
The nicest homework. Talking about your own life.
Thank you so much for listening today. We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.